Welcome to MMA Surge. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to disarm someone with a handgun. Alright, so before you practice how to disarm someone with a handgun, don't use a real handgun. Get yourself one of these fake ones. They usually come in bright colors. Most martial arts training supply stores, $10 to $15. Definitely worth investing in. Just good to have. Also, if you're training in public, this doesn't look real. So here's your gun, sir. So he puts a gun at me. So it's more to just the getting the gun stuff. I have to find my position. I have to not make any moves that make him shoot me. I have to stand here and, whoa, guy, hey, don't shoot me, please don't shoot me. Stuff like that. I don't want to make him think I'm gonna disarm him. I want to make him think that this is gonna be a clean robbery. Hey, whatever you need, man, just let me know. You know, life's too short. I can't, you know, I got people, I got a dog and a cat, like stuff like that. So once you get him thinking that way, that's your time to react. The way I'm gonna react is he's holding the gun at me with his right hand. So I'm gonna use my left hand and I'm gonna grab the barrel. But you see, the gun is still facing my face. So right when I go to grab, my head is gonna come off the center line. So there's a line here that imaginarily that's where the gun would shoot me. So I get off the line. As I grab the barrel, my free hand comes in with some sort of karate chop to the wrist, the hand area, because I'm gonna look to get his hand to turn and face him. Once it turns and face him, I keep turning. That's what scares the guy. When the gun starts pointing back at yourself, the guy might let go and you get yourself the gun back. Peek the left side of the gun, check your safety, make sure it's on, make sure the safety is off so you can actually, if you have to shoot this assailant, you can. So again, so I'm here, so he's holding the gun at me. I'm gonna grab the barrel, hold it nice and tight. My other hand's gonna hit the wrist, head drops off to the side, and I get the gun back just like that. So when you're practicing, don't put your finger through the hole because you might get your finger broken. So in practice mode, keep your finger along the side of the gun for safety. If I come here, let's say the guy grabs, tries to use his free hand, stick with the same motion, turning it towards him, pulling it down, out, and up. And you'll be safe. All right, so that's what to do when the guy's holding the gun with one hand, but I've been trained with firearms and I'm usually trained to use two hands. It's a stronger position. It's just a little more, I can be a little more accurate. So this might happen. You might have someone with two hands at you. So similar rules apply. Get the head off the center line, but instead of me bashing the wrist, because that might not get the gun away, I want to grab either the top of the gun, the top of his wrist, you know, somewhere up here. I'm gonna grab and I'm gonna turn upwards and towards him, down, out and around. So again, so I'm here. Hey guy, don't shoot me with the yellow gun. I grab. So you see what's happening? I wanna get him at his wrist area and get this gun off the side. If I have to jump off to the side, that's fine. You know, while we're struggling for the gun, stomps, groin strikes, kicks, headbutts, and I like to snap down, turn it back towards him. Once I think the gun is away from the guy, hard step out. So here, I think the gun is about to be mine. I make distance immediately. So I'm close to him, hard step out, and I move. And I move and I circle. On the ground, guy, stuff like that. In this situation where someone's trying to rob you,
give me all your money.
It's sometimes easier to give the guy the wallet and end it right there instead of fighting him. But sometimes you know that the guy, even if you give him your wallet, you might still get shot. You might be in danger. So a great tactic is when the guy pulls a gun on you, even if he doesn't say what he wants, get him talking. Sometimes I'll be like, what can I do? What do you need? What do you need?
Give me your wallet.
That's that's a great time it diverts his attention off of his gun. He's thinking, he doesn't know if you're gonna give it to him or not. So once I go to hand it to him, it's a great time. As soon as the wallet hits his hand, step off and make your space, just like that. Because what essentially I'm doing is I'm taking away one of his fight hands. So put the gun up for me. Here's the wallet. See, that's one fight hand gone. Now it went from, you know, the second, when the guy has two hands on the gun, it's a little harder to get the gun away. So hand in the wallet brings me right to my single hold where I can get my gun back. So it makes it a lot easier for you. Also diverts the guy's attention. When he's thinking about the wallet, he might not be thinking about pulling the trigger. A lot of guys are really money hungry, so they see the wallet, they start thinking about what they're gonna do with the money, what they're gonna, you know, how much money's in the wallet. They start thinking about not killing you and what's in the wallet. So really good time to save yourself. Also, you know, this is self-defense. You want to practice. You know, get a friend, get a partner, and go over these situations because these are dangerous situations. You want to be able to react fast, accurately, and you don't want to be thinking. You want to be here. You gotta make that decision to yourself. Am I gonna get a shot? Do I have to save myself? Bam, and I'm out. All right, so that was your basic defense when someone pulls a gun on you with one hand and two hands. We're gonna have a lot more of these self-defense videos, what to do against multiple attackers, what to do against other weapons, what to do in different positions with guns, and just all-around self-defense. So leave me some suggestions, let me know what you wanna see, and we'll do it. I'm the Squid, this is MMA Surge, be safe.